Got an SG file from an older OpenOffice installation? This is a legacy drawing format that modern Office suites can still handle. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and convert these Apache OpenOffice drawing files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated SG file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. SG files are drawing files created by Apache OpenOffice or older StarOffice versions using the legacy StarDraw format. They contain vector drawing content, including shapes lines, text boxes, and embedded images created in the Draw component of the Office suite for creating diagrams, illustrations, and simple vector graphics. Apache OpenOffice SG drawing files use the legacy StarDraw binary format, storing vector graphic objects with position size rotation and formatting properties. The format predates the OpenDocument ODG standard and was used in StarOffice and early OpenOffice versions before the XML-based format migration. To maintain file fidelity, use Apache OpenOffice Draw developed by Apache Software Foundation to open SG. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows can show the outline of the file, but full editing must happen in a design suite. We are going to find the right reader, right-click the SG file, and click Open With. Try launching with Apache OpenOffice Draw first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. When your SG file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the SG problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, opening in LibreOffice. Download and install LibreOffice, which maintains backward compatibility with legacy StarOffice formats. Open the SG file using File, then open in LibreOffice Draw. The drawing loads with all shapes, text, and formatting, intact for viewing, editing, and saving in modern formats. Next, converting to modern format. After opening the SG file in LibreOffice Draw, save it in the current OpenDocument drawing format using File, then Save As, and selecting ODG. Alternatively, export to SVG PDF or standard image formats through File, then Export for universal compatibility with other applications. Finally, editing the drawing. In LibreOffice, modify the vector content using the drawing toolbar tools for shapes, lines, connectors, and text. Add or remove elements, resize and reposition objects, and adjust formatting. The full Draw editing environment is available for updating the legacy content before saving in a current format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.